disappear, not I am not. I didn't disappear.
I didn't disappear because the last day was not easy about process problem.
Okay. So the past days, not the last days, the past days were not easy.
Okay, the past day, but what difference between last days and past days?
Yeah, last days means les derniers jours. That's, for example, a few days before you come back to Douala, you will say, my last days.
Okay.
But when it is in the sense of past, of the past, when it is in the sense of the past, days that have gone, you will say my past days.
Okay.
It's a little bit tricky, but just use past instead of last, because you can say the last days, but the past days is better. Let's leave it like that. Yes.
Okay.
Past days were not easy. Okay.
Okay.
So, but the last time we separated because you had an emergency.
Yes.
What was it all about?
What? Could you repeat, please?
Yes. What was the emergency all about? What was it all about? This, as you said, the quoi. So
okay.
That is an expression. What was it all about?
Okay, what was it all about?
Yes.
Okay, the problem was the quality of quality of our fuel gas. This quality was not good, and we have a shutdown of all the Sanagas machines.
Completely.
Completely.
My engineer, this November for you is not good. First, the compressor, the turbo compressor has a problem. Second, now you have to shut down the machines on a complete platform.
Exactly.
Wait, what happened? What was the problem? Because when you say quality, I'm seeing the gas and oil from the Sanaga that is contaminated. Let's put it like
No. It's not a problem of Bipaga and Sanaga gas contaminated, but is the problem is inside the fuel gas process. Just problem of the fuel gas process, because our machines needs the dry gas.
Okay.
Dry gas means that gas sake.
Yes, dry gas.
Yes, need dry gas, but we didn't know why we have gas and liquid hydrocarbon inside the fuel gas.
Hydrocarbon liquid was mixed with the fuel, the gas.
Exactly.
It's the gas that you use on the platform to power the machines.
Yes.
Okay, it's not the one that the well pumps. It's not the one, the gas and the oil that the well pumps or the wells pump to the platform. It's not that one. It's the one that you use to power all your machines.
Yes, but in Sanaga too, after oil and gas come from the ground, and after compression, we take small quantity of the gas
Okay.
for our fuel gas unit system for the
Okay.
machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Which means that you take it, do you take it directly from Sanaga, or it comes to Bipaga and you send it back, you treat and send?
We can take directly from Sanaga.
Okay, and treat.
And treat, but just small treat. It's not treat like Bipaga process.
Okay, so it's not a major, it's not uh, a major treatment. So it's minor, not small treat.
Yeah.
A,
Okay.
a minor treatment. So it's a major
Okay.
treatment or a minor treatment. Okay.
Okay. Please, what does it mean? Quality.
Quality. I put it
That
in
is the
Fufude.
pronunciation of the quality. Okay.
Quality. I put it in Fufude so that you should practice.
Okay.
Okay. So what was the cause of that problem? What was the cause?
We have what does it mean, the name of, in French we call a filtre particle. Filter, yes. The filter of the hydrocarbon liquid. Hydrocarbon liquid damage.
So there is a filter for hydrocarbon liquids.
Yes, collapse. Yes,
it collapsed or it stopped working.
Yes. It's collapsed and let all the liquid pass in the fuel gas process system.
So it opened the door for everything to pass.
That's yes, that was okay. The last problem.
So how long did it take for you to identify and solve the problem?
1 day.
No, when is one day? Don't put 1 day, yes.
1 day, yes.
Wow. So just 1 day and the problem was solved.
Yes.
But which means that as it broke down, as you discovered that the unfiltered gas was going to your generators, power machines. Yes, what are the implications if you didn't stop the entire platform?
But the fuel gas was is not for the just electrical generation.
Okay.
But is the turbo compressor
Also uses it.
Also fuel gas. When we don't have the fuel gas, or when the quality of the fuel gas was bad, automatically we have it's bad. Automatically we have shutdown of all the machine uses
machines that use.
Yes, that use machine.
No, you have you shut down all the machines that use fuel, that fuel gas.
Exactly.
All the machines that use fuel gas, you shut them down.
All the machine, yes, all the machines that use fuel gas. But now, if you don't have a compressor to increase the pressure and flow, automatically your production decrease.
So you shut down
because
yes.
Yes, after shutdown of the compressor, we use now the pressure come up to the well, or naturally come up from the well. But
Okay.
this pressure don't have the power like
Doesn't have this
doesn't
pressure.
have
Yes.
this pressure doesn't have the power like turbo compressor.
Yes, but it is because it's because the pressure has reduced. The natural pressure has reduced, has decreased.
Exactly.
Okay.
For example, for with turbo compressor machine, it's possible for me to produce 250 million standard cubic of gas.
Okay.
But when I use just the natural pressure, the maximum production is 119 million standard cubic of gas.
Okay. So, my engineer, tell me, when the filter broke down or stopped working normally, the platform itself, the electricity on the platform was stopped. Yes, hello?
Yes, the electricity didn't stop because the electrical power generation are the BIPAGA platform or BIPAGA installation or BIPAGA onshore installation.
Which means that BIPAGA supplies electricity to Sanaga.
Yes, BIPAGA supply electricity for BIPAGA itself and Sanaga platform.
The two Sanaga, 1 and 2?
Yes, 1 and 2.
Okay.
The SNH installation.
Their storage.
Yes, for the storage.
Okay.
And small camp of army. Army.
Okay. Okay. Yes, the army camp.
Yes, the army camp.
Okay. Which means that when you discovered it, was it automatic shutdown, or it is when you discovered it may be your parameters when you discovered yeah?
Yes, it's automatic. It's not possible for us to check parameter because we have a lot of
parameters.
A lot of parameters. Yes. Now we have why we call server
automatic server or automated.
Yes, automated. Yes, control all the parameters, and when the automat detect the problem, it's possible for it to send the order to stop the machine.
Wow.
Yes.
And wait, let us look at this thing. When the automated system also has a failure, what happens? When the automated system has a problem?
Yes, we have automatically shut down of all of the installation, because when the automated system failure, is not possible for us to check all the parameters.
So the whole system is shut down?
Yes.
Has it ever happened?
Yes, but it's not, I need to say c'est rare.
No, then it is, you can say rare.
Okay.
It is rare.
Yes.
It hardly occurs. It hardly ever occurs. Ça se produit très rarement. Occurs with
Okay.
S. It hardly
Okay.
ever occurs. It is rare. It seldom occurs. It seldom occurs. Seldom also means rare.
Okay.
Seldom
It's
occurs.
seldom of.
Occurs.
Okay. Seldom
Occurs.
of course.
Not of course. Occurs. Occur means se
Okay.
produit.
Okay. Seldom occurred.
Good, of course. So my engineer, let us now
It's
look at this automated, not automatic. It is automated. It means that it is autonomous and it functions alone. So automated system. Yes.
But I need to say automated system like computer.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, automaton. That's the good pronunciation.
No, automated, computerized system.
Okay.
Automated.
Okay, automated computerized system.
So it is a software. It is a software on a computer.
Yes,
on a server.
Software. Yes, it's a software with a big capacity to save the data.
Okay.
If you remember,
yes.
If you remember, yes, I told you it's possible for us to save a data during 5 years.
Okay, to save data for a period of 5 years.
A period of 5 years, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And
no,
yes.
Yes, it's not we have the shutdown of automated computerized system. It's rare. Why? Because we have redundancies.
Okay.
We have two. When we have a problem with one, it's possible to transfer the driver, the installation
to the other one.
At the all the time we have two online.
Okay.
And when one have a problem, automatically another one to continue to drive, to work, or to drive the installation.
Okay. Wow.
Now, depending on the level of the importance.
Yes.
Yes, depending on the level of importance of the equipment. Okay. For example, all the equipment which the failure can cause the shutdown.
Can cause.
Yes, can cause the shutdown. We have redundancies.
Okay.
Like power generation, like turbo compressor, and each other equipment.
No, not each other equipment. Each other equipment means long load. But what you want to say is okay. Other equipment.
And other equipment.
Okay. So, my engineer, let us go back to this to the first problem. Have you solved the first problem, the turbo compressor problem?
Yes, the first problem was solved since 2 days, no, 1 day
ago.
Oh, yes, no, 1 day before the fuel gas system problems.
Okay, so it was solved le jour d'avant.
It's solved 1 day after.
No, wait. The day before means yesterday, le jour d'avant. The day after, le jour d'après. So was it solved the day before the shutdown problem or the day after?
No, the day before shutdown.
Ah, okay. So it was solved
That's
the day.
Why, yes, that's why I scheduled the Zoom session, because I was have small time. Yes, I had small time, because I think that all.
No, the past tense, because I thought.
I thought, yes, because I thought all will be
okay. Fine.
All will be fine.
That is what I was. Yesterday, I had a Zoom session with Mr. Who is it? Wunang? This is my man.
Wunang.
Good.
Hervé Mugang.
Mugang, sorry. Yes, I had a session with him yesterday, and I was like, Mr.
We started the session now.
No, I just wanted to discuss with him on Zoom.
Okay.
Yes, because he called me last week. He called me last week when I was in the, moving up and down. So we had to talk, and then he forgot. I tried to get to him, and then yesterday we had a Zoom session, and I was like, Mr. Mugang, are you offshore or onshore?
Onshore.
He said he's onshore. I said, because I hope that in your office there, you will not receive a call and tell me, Mr. Ning, bye-bye. He laughed and told me that, no, he used to work most of the time offshore like you.
Yes.
And then later on, he remained in the office most of the time, but there are times he's obliged to go offshore too, or to come to Bipaga, etc. Okay, so what was the cause of the turbo compressors problem?
The cause of turbo compressor problem is the technical name was the surge anti-valve.
Okay, surge anti-valve.
Yes, surge anti-valve. Why? Because the machine need or need a small or the machine have small quantity of the flow of the gas.
Okay.
When the small when the small flow quantity of the gas go down, we have trip of the machine.
No, okay, the machine trips.
Yes, trips. Yes, because the big problem is working with two machines.
Okay.
It's not sufficient.
Okay.
But we don't have so much gas for working, or need of the gas now is not possible for us to use two compressor.
Okay.
And this quantity of gas is very small for using three machine.
No, in order to use, not for using. In order to use. Yes.
Okay, for example, for two machine, it's not possible for us. It's not possible for us to. It's not possible for us to have a quantity of gas which we need.
Okay. When you have two machines only operating.
Yes, no, we have three machines operating.
Yes.
But I need to say with three machines. En fait, l'autre machine fonctionne à très faible débit parce que c'est pas
puissant.
C'est puissant. Donc justement, c'est parce que c'est trop puissant qu'on lui fait marcher à très faible régime.
Okay, so the third machine is very powerful.
All the machine is powerful.
No, all the machines are. All the machines are.
All the machines, okay. All the machines are powerful.
Yes.
But now, using two machines.
Yes.
Or two machines, it's not possible of two machines.
It's not possible for two machines to supply you.
Not possible. Yes, it's not possible for two machines to supply us
the quantity you need.
And the quantity we need. Yes. But now, when we start the third machine, we just need small quantity of gas of the third machine to complete
the one that the two machines provide.
Exactly. But now this machine can work.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't run at its full capacity.
Yes, it doesn't run at
its full capacity.
From full capacity, exactly.
So the third machine, you use the third machine just to complete your production.
Exactly.
And it therefore means that if the third machine also runs at its full capacity, you will have overproduction.
Overproduction, and it's not possible for our process in Sanagatu or in Dipaga installation to treat all the quantity of the gas.
Okay, now I understand.
That's why we reduce the rate.
Yes.
The technician call that the rate. We reduce the rate of the machine.
Yes.
But when you reduce the rate of the machine, we have a security of the machine. Yes, when the rate is very down,
very low.
Very low. Now it's possible to shut down the machine. And when this machine was or when the machine is shut down, it's possible to destabilize all the process, and it's possible to have the shutdown of the other two machines. The other two machines are working in the full
capacity.
Rate.
Yes, but why not? Capacity. Yes, why not divide? Why not share the responsibility per machine equally? That it means that 3 machines to produce 100 units, you share it instead of overworking 2 machines and then underworking the third one, which is a problem.
Yes, automatically it's not easy to do this.
Okay.
That is automatically it's not easy to do that. Now the solutions, the solution when we did.
The solution that we apply, not when we did, that we applied.
The solution when we applied.
No, that the solution that we applied. That.
Okay, the solution that we applied.
Yes.
To put the two machine in the full rate automatically.
Mm-hmm.
And the third compressor, mm-hmm, we can take manually.
Okay, you control it manually.
Manually, yes, and mm-hmm, manage the manage the flow which we need.
Okay. So, does it mean that what caused the compressor to break down is the fact that you were underusing it? Underuse means not use it to its normal capacity. So is it because you were not using it to its average capacity, you were using it below its capacity, that it caused the problem?
Yes.
So what is the solution? What was the solution? To disconnect it from the automated system and control it manually? Was
manually,
that
yes. Yes.
So since you solved that problem last week, everything is now okay?
Everything is, yes, now everything is okay.
And what about your production? Has it attained the level where you are sure to satisfy the liquefaction customers? Because that was the problem.
Yes, but now we have the catch-up operation.
So there is another operation, yes, which means that all the machines are being used to full capacity.
Exactly. Yes, to catch up the production.
Okay. And how long do you need to catch up the production, the lost production?
February 2033.
And 23, not 33, 33 is 33.
No, 2023.
But my engineer.
Yes.
It was just a few days that you didn't produce normally, and now you are looking at 3 months.
But since started of the November months, the shift of the liquefaction has a problem.
Oh my God. November is not a good month for you.
Yes. That's why we have that's why we will have the catch up in February 2023 to catch up two problems, shift of liquefaction problems and Bipagan Sanaga problems. Yes.
But the liquefaction ship, does it have backup?
Liquefaction ships have backup, but the backup have solved the problem.
Honestly, If it were in the village, we would go to the, look at this man, the soothsayer, le voyant. We'll go to the soothsayer to ask him that what is the problem. Okay. So, my engineer, now, when the liquefaction ship has a problem, how does BIPAGA function? How does Sanaga 1 and how do they function? Because everything depends, or say 90% depends on the liquefaction ship.
Yes, but when the liquefaction ship have a problem, has a problem. Now, depending on the problem. First one, maybe just reduce the flow. Automatically, we can reduce also the flow and send it just the quantity it needs.
Okay.
But now, if we have a total shutdown of the liquefaction sheet, automatically we can stop.
Yes.
Our production, but it's not possible. It's possible for us to maintain the machine online. But now, what does it mean? Recycle?
Recycle.
Yes, we recycle the production and we're waiting to solve the problem and start to take the gas.
When you say recycle, it means that the gas comes, you send it back, it comes back,
exactly.
You send it back.
Exactly.
Wow.
Because we don't need to stop the machine, because restart the machine is so
expensive.
It's not so far. It's yes, expensive because it take a lot of time to restart all the machines.
Yes,
now,
but
it's better for
yes,
it's better for us to recycle
the
gas, recycle the gas. Yes, to recycle the gas and take small quantity of the gas and send it to the KPDC. KPDC for electrical power generation. And put the process of the KPDC in Sanagawan in breakdown. In breakdown, yes.
Okay, so you can block Sanaga 1.
Yes.
Continue processing the gas from Sanaga 2.
And BIPAGA.
And to BIPAGA, and then you solve. But why is it not possible for you to rather increase supply to SNH for our consumption? When there is much gas, it is cheaper for us.
No, because the domestic gas is not same like gas of liquefaction. It's very dangerous to send it or to send you the gas for liquefaction to use
for domestic consumption.
Yes, it's very dangerous.
No, we said that this thing is dangerous.